Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another Zach Vlogs. Today is Thursday. Today had my 3 classes. Today was my Spanish exam. Took that today. I don't know how I did. I'm afraid to check, quite honestly. I have my oral exam tomorrow. I hate that song. But, so for that, Steven came over tonight. Funny story. There's this sound. It goes wah. It's known as the sky quake or something like that. Like, it makes really weird noises. Like the sky. Nobody really knows what's making the noise. It sounds like a transformer. Not like a transformer out on the power lines, like a movie transformer, and it sounds creepy in the middle of the night or something like that. And there's like all these videos online and everything. And Steven heard it tonight, and not just Steven. So we know it wasn't him just like making it up. It was his mom and his whole family. They thought it was a train outside because they live by the train tracks. There's no train, and it kept getting louder, and it was really weird. So Steven came over and we talked about that for a while. That was fun. And then we played some Xbox and stuff. It was fun having Steven over. I never get to see Steven anymore because he's got his own house and his own life. He's got a little puppy too now, which is nice. Yeah. Hot cocoa mix. I like hot cocoa. I've been drinking lots of hot cocoa. Anyway. What else did I do tonight? I'm studying for my oral exam tomorrow, which I'm nervous about, but I'm hoping I'll do okay. But at this point, I'm so ready to be done, I don't care. As long as I pass, I'll be fine. Anyway, I can't really think of anything else that's going on. Katie came down today. We did some marriage stuff today. We had to go meet with Father Brendan and go over some stuff. So we did, and it was cool. It was good. Can't believe we're actually getting married. It's so weird and awesome. Anyway, I'm going to go to bed because I'm exhausted, and I got to get up early tomorrow for my 8 a.m. and everything. Or not 8 a.m. I don't have an 8 a.m. I have to get up at 8 a.m. now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends. Cool beans.